What's up, you guys? Big Z in this one. The date is December 21st, 2020, and it's actually snowing in Vancouver. And I'm in the Vancouver area right now. And let's go out and have a look. What's going on out there? Look at this. Snowing. Whew. Not gonna lie, it looks beautiful. Does it not? It does. Wow. It's wet and soggy, this kind of snow. And we have two birds here. What are these, seagulls? Let's see what, oh my god, there's actually a couple of them here. What's happening? What you want, dog? It's coming down. You can see it's coming down. That's the Highgate Mall area. And this is a playground. And this is the tennis court. I used to play tennis here back then. What the hell? These guys are speeding and it's snowing. Come on, man. You live in Vancouver. You don't know how to drive? So yeah, that's December 21st, that's today. I'm just fast forwarding. But stay tuned for my McGill vlog. It's gonna be uploaded later today, so stay tuned for that, you guys. Big Z out.